So this is a prototype of a game I'm working on. So you can see currently the default animation that's playing here is the run animation. So let me just let the idle one to play. Okay, so basically the concept is to have a game where, let me play it in here so that you see, to have a concept where the main movement mechanic is just basically the character walking around and also hovering. Okay, so you can walk around, fight enemies, solve puzzles, and then also you can decide to hover around. So you can initiate the hover. For example, you can see that they also will be hovering enemies as well, so you can fight them. So for right now, I've not implemented the enemy mechanics. I was still prototyping the level and also implementing basic character movements. So basically, that's the concept that I have right now. You can see the character now, the hoverboard is back in her back, and now she's just running around. Okay, so basically that's the concept that I have for this game. So I hope that I'm going to work out these until the end, and we're going to develop something incredible. And I also wanted to show you guys a project that I've tried working on in the past. I think this one I have to shift to another version of Godot. I think this one, fam. So I tried working also on a truck driving game. It's called Truckers, basically. It's a game that I was just developing for fun. I had no end goal for it. Yeah, it was just interesting. I just did a 3D model in Blender, and then I thought that maybe I should take it into the game engine, and then that's how things picked up from there. So I ended up developing it. So basically, I implemented some rough menu you can see here. So you can play. Let's play the main game. So I literally went ahead to implement some menus and stuff here. So here basically you pick like two trucks between this one and then the other one. So we could pick, let's pick the blue truck, the first one. So basically I had the scene gray boxed as well a lot. You could see some unfinished assets, blah blah blah. And also there was an asset I added here that had no collisions implemented, so you can see the truck ran through it, so the pickup truck there. So I do all the assets myself. I model them in Blender. It's very fun modeling, so you could just drive around. But then the vehicle physics, for example, when you're driving at high speed, then you could easily topple over. I didn't figure out the vehicle physics very well. So basically that was what I did here. So the environment isn't that interesting, so there's no need of going around showing you around it, but then you could see what we did here. So basically that was it. And if you guys are interested in following my game dev journey, please subscribe, and see you guys in the next videos.